Bismillah. We'll continue with our lesson as-Sarf Lil Mubtadieen. Today we'll go through the fi'l al-amr for the ruba'i, the khumasi and the sudasi. We'll try to finish all of them today. We'll start with the ruba'i, the 4 letters. For the 4 letters we had how many scales? We had 4. And we'll start with the first one, which was taf'ilu. As I mentioned earlier, why is it taf'ilu instead of yaf'ilu? The second person. The fi'l al-mudari' is for the second person. He says in the note, ترجع حمزة التي حذفت من المضارع في الأمر من وزن أفعل. So the hamzatul wasl that was dropped. Do you remember when we were doing the mudari', the present? أفعل, what was this mudari'? يفعل. What did we do? We dropped the hamza. He said that hamza returns in the amr. So when you say tuf'ilu, its fi'l amr is af'il. So this is not like the thulathi where you have to do all these calculations. There's simply one fi'l amr. Tuf'ilu, you get af'il. So if we were to have tusmi', tusmi'u, and we were to put on a scale, af'il is amr, af'il, what is the result? Asmi' is there for you. Asmi'. So that hamza has returned. What about the second one? Tusri'. Tusri'u. Naam. Asri'. That's for number 1. As I mentioned many times, the ruba'i, khumasi, sudasi are always much easier than the thulathi. Tufa'ilu. The only step here that we follow for tufa'ilu, well, there's 2 steps. There's no hamzatul wasl here. We drop the harful mudari', which is where? The ta. The ta is dropped. Then what happens to the end? To the kasra. Do we need to bring hamzatul wasl here? Why is that? Sukoon at the end. But why is there no hamzatul wasl here? Why did we bring a hamzatul wasl for the thulathi? What was the reason?
There was a sukoon on the second letter.
Yes, and when there's a sukoon, can you read it? No. But in this case, what does the fa have? Beginning letter does not have a sukoon here. Sah. So it's because there's no sukoon on the first letter, we don't need to bring that hamza. So we say fa'il. So we have tusari' becomes Naam. Tunasihu becomes Nasih. Number 3, we have tufa'ilu. Same concept. The ta is dropped. Jazm. Fa'il is the result. Fa'il. The last sim, tufa'lilu. Drop the harful innate. Make it jazm. Result is fa'lil. So we have af'il, fa'il, fa'il, and fa'lil. Those are the 4. So let's try and conjugate one at a time. Joaquim, you have the first one.
On page 35.
Yeah, page 35, you have the chart, and then below that are the verbs that you conjugate. Tubshir, yes. So remember, there are 6. Why are there 6 again? Why do you have 6 instead of the 12 or 15 that we had before? Second person. How many pronouns are there for second person?
14. No.
There's not 14. There's not 3.
Each has 3.
Which one?
Each one has 3. 6 each female.
Yes, why do you have... How many pronouns are there for second person? Mukhatab. 3, 4?
Masculine, 3 feminine.
Yes, 3 masculine, 3 feminine. And what were they? The pronoun, the detached pronouns. Anta, Antuma, Antum, anti, antuma, antunna. Okay. So those are the ones that we're going to command in this case. So for everyone, you're going to command one person, two people in a group for masculine, and you're going to go to the second one, anti, antuma, antunna. So go ahead. Start with the first one.
I don't understand what you want me to do.
You have that verb there at the bottom. One.
Tufsiru.
Yes, you put that on the first scale.
On the scale of af'il.
Yeah.
Abshir.
Okay, abshir. You're giving glad tidings. Abshir.
Abshira.
Abshira.
Abshiru.
Abshiru.
Abshiri.
Abshiri.
Abshira.
Abshira.
Abshirna.
Abshirna. That's it. You're done. Okay, Abu Bakr.
Yeah, next one.
Next one, tuhasib, which is 1, 2, 3, the fourth one.
Tuhasib.
Yeah. Tuhasib. What's the result?
Ahasib.
Hasib. You've commanded anta, hasib.
Yeah, it will be.
Then the second one, antuma.
Oh, sorry, I'm on the wrong.
You're number 2.
Isn't it
Yeah, yeah.
ahasib?
Why?
No, because it doesn't have the sukun on that letter.
Hasib.
Hasib, hasiba,
Hasibna.
hasibu,
Sorry, hasibu.
Mhm.
Hasibi.
mhm,
Hasiba. Hasibna.
hasibna. Ahsanta. Number 3, we have fa'il. Fa'il. Find the appropriate verb. Obviously, you have to do all of these. Put all of these on the scale. But because we're going through all of them, we're going to skip some. Which one?
تقدم.
Which one?
تقدم. تقدم.
Where's that?
On the bottom right.
Second one.
First one on the.
You skipped a few. Go back.
Oh, تؤجل.
Okay. تعجل. So you say?
أجل.
عج
أجل.
عجل.
أجل.
عجلا.
أجل.
عجلوا.
أجلي.
عجلي.
أجل.
عجلا.
أجلنا.
عجلنا. Okay, then last one, فعلل. فعلل. I'll let you choose the verb. I don't know what happened there, but go ahead. فعل. فعلل, sorry. فعلل.
دحرج.
تحرج.
دحرجا.
تحرجا.
دحرجو.
تحرجوا.
دحرجي.
تحرجي.
دحرجا.
تحرجا.
دحرجنا.
تحرجنا. أحسنتم. So is that simple? Is that easy? Are there any questions of the fi'l? عفوا. نعم. So we did the last one number 4. Okay, let's move on. So we have 5. تنفعل. تنفعل. However, in this case, look, we have a sukun on the second letter after we dropped the harful mudari'. So we dropped that. Second step was, what was the second step? After we dropped the harful innate. Pardon? No, the third letter. Before that. Sukun. Then Hamzatul Wasl is brought. The result is
Actually, the third
infa'il. Infa'il. So tanfa'ilu, we have the amr infa'il. So you can read the first one. The first one. Example. Tan in khadi'. Okay. Then we have the second one, tafta'ilu. Tafta'ilu. Who can go through the steps of tafta'ilu?
You drop the harf al-mudari'.
Harf al-mudari' is always dropped because it's only harf for the present tense. Okay, then the jazm comes. Yeah, he's already said that. That was the first one. Then you bring the hamzatul wasl. The third letter is what? Taking a what? Welcome. So the result is افتعل. Read the first example. اكتسب. صح. And the third one, we need a board for the third one, but just for now, memorize it. So we have تفعل becomes if'alla. If'alla. But the more you repeat it, the easier it will be to memorize. The first example is? And Amr is warra. So just memorize it like that for now. And then the fourth one, تتفعل. No? It becomes? No. Why did you bring Hams to us? It becomes? تفعل. There's no Hams to wasl. Just the... Sometimes we do all the steps, sometimes you only have to do 2 of the steps. Okay? So read the first example for us. Read to me the mudari', then the amr.
Yeah, fifth one, yeah.
The fourth one.
تتفعل.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so read the example.
تتمسك.
نعم تتمسك.
تمسك.
تمسك. صح. And then the fifth one, تتفاعل becomes تفاعل. So remember it's like that. So you say, you read the madi, the mudari', then the amr together. Remember it's like that. أفعل يفعل أفعل, for example. أفعل يفعل أفعل. فاعل يفاعل فاعل. That's how you memorize it. So we have تفاعل. Okay. So the first example, read. Someone else read.
Number 6.
Number 5.
تتفاعل.
نعم.
تفاعل.
نعم. So example.
تتعالج.
تتعالج.
تعالج.
تعالج. تتفاعل. تفاعل.
Why is it fast?
There's a error there. تتفاعل. تفاعل. So تتعالج. تعال. No, there's an error there. That one. You need to correct that.
Meant to be kasra.
Okay, then we'll come back to on in the brackets, hopefully corrected. Number 6. Read number 6.
تتفعل.
تتفعلل. Then it becomes تفعلل. Remember it like that. تتفعلل. تفعلل. Okay, you want to read the example for us?
تتسربل.
تتسر. بلو.
تسربل.
تسربل. صح. 1 second.
بس هنا.
No, 1 second. Okay, so now let's conjugate the verbs. This one's the biggest, or one of the biggest from the book. We have infa'il. Infa'il. So you have tansarif. In tansarif, we conjugate. So we'll start with Abdul Hakim and go across.
انصرف.
Insarif.
انصرفا.
Insarifa.
انصرفوا.
Insarifu.
انصرفي.
Insarifi.
انصرفا. انصرفنا. انصرفنا.
Insarifna. Ahsant. Number 2, Abdul Hakim. Abu Bakr, you have ifta'il.
Can I choose any word?
Yeah, but choose the appropriate verb because these are all, they're for all the scales.
تنطلق.
Take 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, fourth one. No, the fourth one. From Tansarif, go across 4. تحترم. تحترم. احترم. احترما. احترموا. احترمي. احترمي.
احترما.
احترما.
احترمنا.
احترمنا. Okay, Ikram? You take the third one. افعل.
إن أذلنا.
Where are you reading?
إعور.
اعور.
إعورا.
اعورا.
إعورو.
اعورو.
إعوري.
اعوري.
إعورا.
اعورا.
إعوري. إعورهما.
نعم صح. Well done. Okay, number 4 now. تفعل.
Number 4.
So take تتكلم.
تكلم. تكلما. تكلموا.
تكلموا.
تكلمي.
تكلمي.
تكلما.
تكلما.
تكلمنا.
تكلمنا. أحسنت. عبد الحكيم take number 5. تفاعل. On the second line, take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one on the second line. Tata?
تتناصر.
Okay. So you drop it. He's not giving you the first one. You have to do it yourself.
تناصر.
تناصر.
تناصرا.
تناصرا.
تناصروا.
تناصروا.
تناصري.
تناصري.
تناصرا.
تناصرا.
تناصرنا.
Where did you read it?
تناصرنا.
تناصرنا.
Oh, I have to look at this one.
Which one?
Oh, تناصرنا.
تناصرنا. Yes.
تناصرا. تناصرنا.
Okay. And the last one, Abu Bakr. تفعلل.
تفعلل. Which one?
So you choose the appropriate verb. Just take the last one on the verb, the last one.
تتمزمز.
No, the last one.
تتجاور.
Yes.
تتجاور.
Now, we can all help each other here. What's the last one?
تتجاور.
So, remember, the first time it should be dropped. You don't say tata.
تجورب.
نعم, here you go. تجورب.
تجورب. تجورب. تجوررا.
تجوربا.
تجوربوا.
نعم.
تجوربي.
تجوربي.
تجوربا.
تجوربا.
تروجبنا. تجوربنا.
نعم تجربنا. And for the last one, we have just one. استفعل يستفعل. So let's take تستغفر. What was the meaning of تستغفر? Seek forgiveness. Okay, so just tell the 6 to seek forgiveness. Ikram? استغفر يستغفر. تستغفر. استغفر. استغفرا. استغفروا. استغفري. استغفرا. استغفرنا. And that is the end of فعل الأمر.